How are algorithms driving us? How do algorithms work? How does it impact our mental health? How can we be mindful about it? Welcome back to our channel Business Mindset Stories. Let's dive into the video to get some answers. First, we will define what we mean by algorithms and how they work. Then, we will examine the role of algorithms in content curation and the personalized recommendations they provide. We will discuss the ways in which algorithms can be biased and how this can impact our experiences online. Algorithms are sets of instructions that computer programs use to solve problems or perform tasks. They are the backbone of the digital world and are used in everything from search engines to social media to automated vehicles. Algorithms can be simple, like a recipe for making a cake, or complex, like a recommendation algorithm that suggests products based on a user's browsing history. Algorithms work by taking in data, analyzing it, and then producing an output based on that analysis. You must have wondered, when you searched for a product one day, the next day your phone is suddenly filled with ads for the products you searched for. It's the algorithm. Recommendation algorithms work by analyzing a user's behavior, such as their browsing history or their interactions with content, and then suggesting content that is similar to what they have already engaged with. One of the most significant ways in which algorithms impact our lives online is through content curation. Content curation refers to the process of selecting and organizing content for presentation to an audience. The personalized recommendations provided by algorithms are intended to make our online experiences more enjoyable and efficient by helping us find the content that we are most interested in. This type of recommendation algorithm can be helpful in saving time and providing access to content that we might not have discovered otherwise. However, there are downsides to personalized recommendations. One issue is that they can create filter bubbles, where users are only exposed to content that reinforces their existing beliefs and interests. This can lead to a lack of diversity of opinion in the formation of echo chambers, where users only interact with others who share their beliefs. Another issue with algorithms is that they can be biased. Bias can arise when algorithms are trained on data that is itself biased, or when the algorithms are programmed with certain assumptions or biases. For example, a hiring algorithm that is trained on data from a company that has historically hired mostly men may be more likely to recommend male candidates than female candidates. Bias can also arise in content curation algorithms. For example, if a social media platform's algorithm is biased towards promoting certain types of content, such as sensationalist news stories, users may be exposed to more of this content than other types of content. This can have negative effects on users' mental health and their understanding of the world around them. Algorithms can have a significant impact on our mental health. The personalized nature of algorithmic content curation can create an environment where we are constantly exposed to content that is designed to capture our attention and keep us engaged, often at the expense of our mental health. For example, social media algorithms are designed to keep users engaged for as long as possible. This can lead to a phenomenon known as doom scrolling, where we compulsively scroll through our feeds, even when the content is distressing or triggering. The constant exposure to negative or emotionally charged content can increase our levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. Additionally, algorithms can contribute to feelings of isolation and loneliness. Social media algorithms often prioritize content from our friends and family, which can create a feedback loop where we only interact with people who share our beliefs and perspectives. This can make it difficult to connect with people who hold different opinions or come from different backgrounds, leading to a sense of social isolation and disconnection. The impact of algorithms on mental health can also be seen in the way they contribute to the spread of misinformation and conspiracy theories. Algorithms are designed to promote content that generates the most engagement, regardless of its accuracy or credibility. This can lead to the amplification of harmful content that can undermine our trust in institutions and create a sense of paranoia and anxiety. There are several steps we can take to mitigate the impact of algorithms on our mental health. One is to be mindful of our social media use and to limit our exposure to negative or emotionally charged content. We can also seek out diverse sources of information and engage with people who hold different perspectives. Additionally, we can prioritize our offline relationships and connections, which can provide a sense of social support and reduce feelings of isolation. The problems created by algorithms are complex and multifaceted, and there is no single solution that can address all of them. However, there are several steps that can be taken to mitigate their impact. One solution is greater transparency and accountability for the companies that develop and deploy algorithms. This can include disclosing how algorithms are trained and how they make decisions, as well as providing users with greater control over the content that they see. Another solution is greater diversity in the tech industry. By increasing the representation of underrepresented groups, including women and people of color, in tech companies. We can reduce the risk of bias and create algorithms that are more inclusive and representative of diverse perspectives. Algorithms are a powerful tool that are transforming the way we consume content online and interact with social media. While they can provide many benefits, such as personalized recommendations and more efficient content curation, they also create significant challenges, including the risk of bias, filter bubbles and echo chambers, and the impact on democracy. In conclusion, algorithms can have a significant impact on our mental health. While they offer many benefits, including personalized content curation and increased efficiency, they also create challenges that can contribute to stress, anxiety, and depression. By being mindful of our social media use and prioritizing our offline connections, we can reduce the negative impact of algorithms on our mental health and well-being. That's all for today's video. Do hit the subscribe button for more information. Thanks for watching. See you soon.